Cindy here, physical therapist with Adaptive Equipment Corner. Today we are going to give some more food for thought on the iWalk 2 and using it on the stairs. We had a viewer ask about the fact that her railing was on the opposite side of the stairs of the video that we did on how to walk with an iWalk 2.0, and we demonstrated going down the stairs sideways. So if you have questions about that, take a look at that video. So we're going to come over here to the stairs and we're going to see how to go down the stairs no matter what side the railing is on. Now we have instructed before on going down the stairs backwards. Some people might be okay with this, other people might not. But you can go down the stairs backwards using the iWalk if there is a rail on either side. And this is how you would do that. So you're going to certainly hold firm to the rail. And if you have any doubts about this, I don't suggest it, but there are people that could do this. But you can hold on to the rail as you go down. You're going to lead down with the foot or the leg that has the iWalk on it first. So you're going to step back with the iWalk, okay? And then you're going to hold to the rail and you're going to step down with your good foot. Then you're going to step down again with the iWalk, hold to the rail securely and step down with your good foot. One more time, step down with the iWalk, hold to the rail and step down with your good foot. Now as you come up, you're going to be stepping up with your good foot first. You can hold on to the rail, step up, bring the iWalk up. Hold on to the rail, step up and bring the iWalk up. Okay, and again you're going to hold to the rail, step up, and bring the iWalk up. So that's how you can go down the stairs with the iWalk with a rail on either side. You could do that very same thing with a rail on the other side. Now I have tried a couple of steps without anything to hold on to with the iWalk. I don't feel real comfortable with that. So if you have a couple of steps that you're going to be contending with and you're going to try to use the iWalk, I would suggest at least having a cane for those steps just for a little bit more balance. So that's what we can do as far as using the iWalk 2.0 on stairs with railings on either side. If you like what you've seen today, please subscribe to our site and like us on Facebook so we can continue to bring you these videos. That's it from Adaptive Equipment Corner. Have a great day and don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.